Hey there! You know how I always rave about Microsoft Azure and its amazing features? Well, today, we are diving into something super cool, implementing and managing FSLogix with Microsoft's cloud. It's a game changer for user profile management, making virtual desktop and desktimes services feel like walking into your favorite diner. Stick with me for a deep dive. Now, you might be like, hey, what's FSLogix? Picture this, user profiles in VDI and RDS environments are a headache, right? They're like getting lost in your own house. Enter FSLogix, a system that packs a punch in organizing and streamlining these profiles so smoothly, you'd practically forget you've left your day-to-day behind. Imagine it as your personalized home security system for your digital life, keeping everything safe and secure yet unobtrusive. Getting started with FSLogix on Azure feels like setting up a stage for you before it even gets to perform. It's vital to get your user profiles right. That's the stage where everything on Azure needs to work flawlessly. With FSLogix, each user has a digital box tailored to them, and we are talking about a system that keeps your profiles organized, easily replaceable, and fully secure. As we talk architecture, it's as though we are the conductors of an orchestra, guiding each instrument into harmony. Each component of Azure, from RDS to VDI and all cloud services that handle profiles, is an instrument in our orchestra. FSLogix is the maestro, making sure they play in perfect unison. It's fascinating how FSLogix ties in with Azure's virtual desktop layer like a well-rehearsed play, where each act seamlessly transitions to the next, ensuring a stellar user experience. Now, to set up FSLogix, it's like baking the ultimate cake. You follow the recipe to perfection, mixing in features like containerization, automation, and user provisioning. You see, with Azure, we have the ingredients for an extraordinary outcome, and with FSLogix, we have the techniques to mix it all up effectively, ensuring a delightfully smooth experience where you forget about the mixed IT. And trust me, the flavor of efficient and secure user profile handling is something to get excited about. Managing profiles on Azure with FSLogix brings a whole new meaning to the term control. Picture a control center with an all-seeing eye, where every little movement around profiles, whether it's creation, deletion, or modification, is monitored, analyzed, and executed with impeccable precision. And every update to your FSLogix provider or profile settings sends ripples through this center, seamlessly echoed in Azure VDS and other cloud services. It's like having your personalized digital assistant who knows your needs better than yourself. Ever heard about FSLogix with Azure Active Directory? It's the ultimate team-up between two superheroes, Azure AD being the master of identity and FSLogix being the sidekick for managing identities. They come together creating a force to be reckoned with. Azure AD handles your identities, and FSLogix manages user context, ensuring a flawless VHDX transfer experience. It's like the trusty lock and key, ensuring only the right hands have access to your digital world. But guess what? It's not just the virtual desktimes we're mastering here. FSLogix's prowess extends into the physical realm too. Imagine this system orchestrating data synchronization between different environments with synchronous speed. Like a synchronized swim team, but for data, we make synchronization look easy because with FSLogix, it is. You can seamlessly sync profile repositories across multiple sites or locations. It's like having your digital life on roller skates and dancing beautifully between environments. When things don't go as planned, troubleshooting with FSLogix can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube turned into an epiphany. Every issue is a puzzle piece, and with our shared understanding, we can align each piece perfectly, bringing back harmony into the user experience. It's the thrill of the chase, the feeling of overcoming whatever issues arise, ensuring flawless user experience and secure access at all times. And the best way to handle all this, managing configuration, updating settings, is as smooth as silk. And for us hands-on folks, FSLogix provides all the tools we need, like command line prowess or drag and drop wonders right in the control center. It's like having a toolbox specifically designed for user profile management, and we're just a click or a command away from fixing or tweaking our profile management setup. As for best practices, that's where FSLogix shines, showing us how to dance, not just survive, in this ever-changing industry landscape. You learn to keep pace with evolving technologies because FSLogix ensures that your profile management remains cutting edge. It becomes about fostering a culture of innovation, one where we constantly learn new moves, new rhythms, and yet never miss a beat. Lastly, this is where I let you in on an exclusive gig. By diving into the practical side, setting up and managing FSLogix on Azure alongside our friends, the IT folks, becomes a shared experience, a common language, a universal symphony playing to bring IT and our user profiles together in a beautiful blend. Now that we've unpacked the magic that FSLogix brings to Microsoft Azure user profile management in a friendly, conversational tone, I bet you're eager to explore more. Let me know your next query or challenge, and I'll make you feel right at home, diving even deeper or guiding through any related tech wizardry. If you are as keen as I am to learn more, don't just stand there looking amazed. Visit neeraj.zzz.io and subscribe for a treasure trove of knowledge tailored to those who crave the art of IT management and deployment. Until next time, keep exploring, my friend. And remember, every cloud has a silver lining. Let's not lose it by not learning more about FSLogix on Azure. Oh wait, I've just been a little bit cheeky. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for your cloud journey. Happy learning, pal, and don't stop asking questions. Let's decode the future of user management together.